Cook Eat Play reaches into the hearts of communities and instigates behavioural change around food choices and healthy lifestyles, focusing on the whole family, their relationship with food, activity and each other. It offers a safe space for families to connect to each other and develops a cultural shift towards happier, healthier, more resilient families where natural friendships can flourish.
Got in touch with us, told us it was on, so his mother booked him into it, and he had a whale of a time during the summer holidays when we weren't away. It's absolutely excellent. It's social. He came yesterday for the first time. He didn't know anybody here at all. Now he's just mixing in, enjoying himself.
Some people I know that are really artsy, so they might be able to come and have fun.
Well, the staff here are really nice,
And you meet lots of new friends, don't
yeah,
you?
and you make lots of friends. Really.
I know these three have made lots of new friends, haven't you?
Yeah.
What do you two enjoy?
I like playing basketball as well.
Yeah.
Dodgeball.
And what do you like going outside to do? Football?
The hot chocolate and the activity. The hot chocolates and the games we play.
The cat has 60 seconds to get everybody's tails.
Oh, they just really enjoy it, and they come in smiling and they come out smiling, and they want to come all the time. They absolutely love it.
It benefits him because he's making friends, albeit temporary ones, but he's learning to get on with people that he doesn't know. And that's something that you can't teach people, isn't it? It's got to be learned.